Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ultra-modern tiny homes that are not only space-efficient but absolutely mind-blowing. These homes are the perfect fusion of clever design, aesthetics, and functionality. So, if you're a fan of the tiny house movement or just curious to see how much you can fit into a small space, stick around. You won't believe what we're about to show you. Our first stop is a beautiful tiny house on wheels. Nestled in the picturesque Blue Mountains of Australia, this house was built by Matt and Lisa, a young couple who have masterfully designed their home from the ground up. With 9 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and a height of 4.3 meters, this small space feels anything but tiny. The black exterior really makes this house stand out, while also blending beautifully with the natural landscape. But the magic is inside, so let's take a look. Once inside, you immediately notice how spacious and cozy it feels. Matt and Lisa designed the interior themselves with a few key goals in mind: comfort, functionality, and style, and they succeeded on all fronts. One of their main challenges was finding a full-sized couch that could fit into the space. They ended up making it themselves, and even added extra storage underneath. And get this, they made sure their cats had their own private exit through the couch. Talk about thinking of everything. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Despite the limited space, Matt and Lisa didn't compromise on any of the essentials. From a full-size stove to marble countertops, everything feels like it belongs in a much larger home. They even incorporated smart storage solutions into the stairs. Each step doubles as a drawer for kitchen items or other essentials. One of the features that really stands out in this tiny home is the lighting. The understep lighting allows for easy movement at night without disturbing anyone who's still in bed. And when it comes to storage, this house has an unexpected surprise: a walk-in wardrobe. It's rare to find this kind of closet space in a tiny house, but Matt and Lisa made it work brilliantly, dividing the wardrobe into his and hers sections. Now, check out this bathroom. It's spacious, with a double shower and clever use of mirrors, which double as hidden storage. Upstairs, the loft area is split into two sections and is connected by a walkway. The king-sized bed may seem tight, but thanks to the extra ceiling height, you can actually stand up before crawling into bed. The extended roof windows offer a view of the sky, perfect for stargazing at night. So, after all of this amazing design and craftsmanship, the big question is, how much did it all cost? Well, they didn't keep track of every dollar, but with some help from friends and doing a lot of the work themselves, it came out to around $80,000 to $90,000. For a fully functional, stunning tiny house like this, that's quite a reasonable investment. And that wraps up our tour of this incredible ultra-modern tiny house on wheels. From the clever design choices to the cozy yet spacious interiors, it's easy to see why this home is a dream come true for Matt and Lisa. Thanks for watching. If you loved this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite feature of this tiny house. See you next time for more amazing homes and designs.